I'm Phoenix. I'm 9. Today we're going to be making date balls. It's only 5 ingredients and really easy to make. You'll need 2 cups of shredded coconut, 1 395-gram can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of pitted dates, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, and 2 packets of Marie biscuits. The dates will be pitted and soaked in boiling water for at least half an hour before you start. The first thing we need to do is process the Marie biscuits in a food processor. We're going to put the biscuits in, and then we're going to process it. Now for the fun part, the processing. Till it's fine and there's no big chunks or clumps, then you're done. Now I've got all my biscuits processed. Now I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients in the order that they are in, right here. That's the sweetened condensed milk. Make sure to get this small can, not a big can or any other size. And the cocoa. Then I'm just gonna combine it. Once you think you're done, you might want to wash your hands and just mix it a bit more by hand. Once you're finished combining the mixture, we're just going to take a bit of it and roll it into a palm-sized ball. Just like that. And then we're going to roll it in some coconut or cocoa. Just cover it. Then just put it on our final plate. And do that until the mixture is all done. So I finished them all. I made a few coconut and a few cocoa. They made about 60 in all. And so now I'm going to put it in the fridge to set for about half an hour to an hour. Just took it out of the fridge. Now for the taste test. Aspergers. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.